eSIMstudios, y'all know what time it is. So, Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. This thing is hot off the delivery truck. And I'm literally out of breath because I had to go chasing down the street. But you got it here. This is the Icy Blue. We're going to do an unboxing. It is the Icy Blue, 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. And I have another Samsung device. This is the only other thinnest device I have in the house. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. The only other thinnest. I have a feeling it's going to blow this thing away. But let's go ahead and check her out here. So, let me peel off this sticker here. Wow, wow, wow. That's basically it. All you get is the phone and a couple of cables. Let me take this sticker off. There we go. Wow, look at this thing. Beautiful color. I'm not sure. Hopefully it comes through. Holy crap. This thing is, for as thin as it is, this thing is like holding up a piece of paper. I'm more shocked about how light it is than how thin it is. That's a good thing because the Pixel 9 Pro XL, pretty heavy device. The S25 Ultra, very heavy device. This thing, I think technically it weighs 166 grams. It feels like it weighs 6 grams. Like, honestly, this feels like it... The Z Flip 6 feels like it weighs twice as much as this phone. This feels like it's hollow inside. What the hell did they do to this thing? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So, 5.8 millimeters thin. You can see just how thin it is here. Just about the same width as the 5G antenna bar. Just about the same width. A little extra. Jesus, there we go. A little extra over the USB Type-C port, but holy crap. It's like you are literally holding a piece of paper. I mean, it weighs nothing. This feels twice as heavy. So here's the Z Flip 6. Size-wise, wow, the Flip 6 is much taller and much thicker and much heavier. You can see, if anybody out there has a Flip 6, you can kind of get a good, let's see, let's do this. Sorry. So not only is the Z Flip 6 obviously the aspect ratios are way different. Z Flip 6 has a 20:9 aspect ratio. 21:9 in the Z Flip 6, 21:9, and the S25 Edge, I think, is at 20:9. So you see the aspect ratio there, but it is much longer and much skinnier, but it feels like much heavier too. So this Edge is incredibly thin. Now, check this out. I got a couple of cases here. I have a bunch of case companies reach out to me in this last week saying that they are sending out cases, but I don't have any right now that were sent to me for free. But what I went ahead and did, I jumped on Amazon last night and purchased a few cases on my own money. So I have the Rinky Camo Black. I'm going to go ahead and open them, and then I'll do a full review tomorrow. So if you like what you see here, I'll do a full review of these tomorrow. So I have the Rinky, what is this? Rinky Camo Black. Rinky Onyx Camo. So you got a camo case there. What is this? JTech. Let's see what this is. This is a pretty thin case. Let's see. Wow. So this is like a silicone navy blue. Looks pretty cool there. Little different dark shade. I like this icy blue. And let me tell you why I chose the icy blue. I did not choose the titanium silver because I hate titanium silver. It looks like in certain light, the titanium silver has like a gold tint to it, and it looks like faded metal to me. It actually makes things look worse, makes things look older, in my opinion, like faded. So that was absolute no-go on my end. I really wanted the jet black. S25 Edge. Now, the reason why I did not get the jet black S25 Edge, and this is the Rinky Fusion. Now, this is the matte back, so it resists fingerprints. We'll review that one tomorrow. And then the third one I got is, you know what? The Spigen Liquid Air. I did not get the jet black one because it does not come, it does not, the phone with the naked eye, if this was jet black, it looks good to the naked eye. But when you're recording something, or when you're recording the device with that color, it's hard to see the dimensions. It's hard to see just the precision machining that Samsung did on this device. You can see the grooves and the angles much better on a device that is not black, because the black colors, they kind of blend all in, and I really wanted something that shows through on the camera. So that's why I chose not to get the black one, and I think this is a perfect color. Sort of like the blue, titanium blue S25 Ultra. We had that one. That's one of the ones that overheated. But I don't expect this to overheat. And real quick before we get out of here, I got a couple of good ideas coming up for videos. I think this is going to be my favorite one. Just really, really nice case here. Spigen Liquid Air. So before we get out of here, I'm going to compile a video tomorrow. I've been seeing more hate about this phone, more negative comments in YouTube videos for this phone than I think I've ever seen in my life on any other device. So what I've been doing these last couple of days is taking screenshots of every negative comment I see, and I'm going to make a video tomorrow. Basically, I'm going to test this out tonight, throw everything at it. Tomorrow I'm going to make a video. If it turns out it does not overheat, if it turns out I can handle everything I can throw at it, I'm going to throw these comments up make a video and throw these comments up on the screen while I talk about this device, because I think a lot of people have this wrong. I made a video. There's 3 things why I think this will succeed and that people are not talking about. Number 1, it has the brand new display. I'm not talking about the Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the actual AMOLED display Samsung put in here. It's a brand new panel. It's the M14 panel. The S25 series, even the S25 Ultra, does not have this new panel. So what's new, or what's good about this new panel? Well, it barely sips on power off the battery. So it requires far less power to actually power this AMOLED display than even the S25 series. And your display is basically the thing on your device that uses the most power. So they put a brand new display in here, very efficient display that just barely sips on the battery. Number 2 is it has one less core. It does have the Snapdragon 8 Elite, except this is a 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite. The S25 series is an 8-core. Having 7 cores in there, one less, uses less power as well. So that will help out the battery. Third thing is it actually has a lithium graphite battery. So the S25 series and all other Samsung phones have lithium ion. This is actually the first device that they implemented a lithium graphite battery. Now, it's not silicon carbon, right, that OnePlus uses. However, it's like in between lithium ion, which the S25 series has, and silicon carbon. It's like right in between. If lithium ion was 1.0 and silicon carbon was 2.0, this new lithium graphite battery in the S25 Edge is like 1.5. So that also helps the battery. Now they can put a few more ions in there. It's a little more dense than a traditional lithium ion. So when it says 3,900 milliamp hour battery, it's really kind of like a 4,200, right? So that's why I think this will succeed. It weighs nothing and it's super thin. So I'm very impressed. Wanted to get this out there. I'm going to go ahead and throw all my apps on there, sign in, get going. I'm going to do case reviews of all of these cases tomorrow. So if you're interested in any of these devices, in any of these cases, I'll do individual reviews tomorrow. And I will let you know tomorrow in a video tomorrow, give you an update on this device. Has it overheated? Can it handle everything I can throw at it? Tomorrow it's supposed to be like 92 degrees. So I'm going to go outside, take some 4K video, see if I can get it to overheat. So before we get out of here, I want to say I scheduled a giveaway live stream today. I got a gazillion cases and I want to give everything away. But the delivery of this thing screwed up my whole day. So I got a busy day tomorrow. I'm going to do YouTube all day tomorrow. I'm going to record tons of stuff. And I'm going to squeeze in a giveaway live stream for you tomorrow. Whatever phone you have, come to my live stream, enter the giveaway. And whatever phone you have, I'm going to send you a free case. And there are cases like these. They're real nice cases. I got $80 cases all I can give away. iPhone, Pixel, Samsung, whatever you have. I'll get with you on the back end and send you whatever I got. So don't miss our giveaway live stream for tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and schedule it right now. And please stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more coming. Peace.